Welcome to Amsblade, real Amazon data, no sponsored picks.
Today, insect and pest traps. 845,000 of them sell on Amazon every month, but buying the wrong one is the most common mistake in this category.
Quick note, links in the description are affiliate links. We may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. 5 traps. 5 completely different pests. This guide matches each one to the bug that it actually catches, so you don't waste money buying the wrong tool for your problem.
We pulled real data on 72 products from Amazon's search results, sales counts, star ratings, review totals, and prices. No sponsored products. No guesswork. Here are the 5 picks, each chosen for a specific pest. Quick word on how we did this. No opinions, no affiliate bias. Just real prices, ratings, review counts, and monthly sales figures, pulled directly from Amazon's live listings.
Every number you see in this video is from the actual data, not estimated, not rounded up. The blog post with all the sources is linked in the description. 845,000 insect and pest traps sell on Amazon every single month. But the category is fragmented. It's not one product. It's 5 completely different pest solutions bundled into the same search result.
Zevo's plug-in light trap dominates indoor flying insects with over 100,000 units a month. TERRO and yellow sticky traps handle the kitchen and houseplant problems. GOOTOP serves the outdoor patio buyer. And Catchmaster Glue boards, with over 92,000 reviews, handle the mice and crawling pest market.
The risk for buyers. All of these show up when you search insect trap. The right one depends entirely on which bug you actually have.
Before you look at products, identify your pest. This is the single most important step.
If you have houseflies, gnats, or general flying insects buzzing indoors, you want to plug in UV light trap like Zevo. If you have fruit flies in the kitchen near the fruit bowl or the wine rack, you want a vinegar lure trap like TERRO. Those are different insects with different attractants, and they don't respond to the same trap.
If you have tiny flies swarming around houseplants, those are fungus gnats, a completely separate species from fruit flies. Yellow sticky cards placed in the soil catch them at the source for about $6.
If you have mosquitoes or moths on a patio or deck, you want an outdoor UV zapper like GOOTOP. And if you have mice or crawling insects, spiders, cockroaches, a glue board like Catchmaster is the category standard with over 92,000 reviews to prove it. Pick one for indoor flying insects. The Zevo Flying Insect Trap at $24.99.
This is the category leader by a wide margin. 100,000 units sold last month at 4.3 stars across 81,000 reviews. It plugs into any standard outlet and uses a combination of UV light and gentle heat to draw flies, gnats, and fruit flies to a replaceable cartridge that traps them out of sight. Buyers consistently say, set it up once and the fly problem disappears within a day or two.
2 things to know before buying. First, the starter kit includes 1 base and 3 cartridges, enough for 90 days. After that, you'll need refill cartridges at about $15 each, which lasts 30 to 60 days depending on activity levels. Second, the trap works best in the room where the pest problem is, near a window or in a kitchen. It's not a whole house solution from one plug.
Pick 2 specifically for fruit flies. TERRO Fruit Fly Trap 4-pack at $17.21.
Important distinction. Fruit flies are not the same as house flies or gnats. They're drawn to fermented sugar, ripening fruit, wine glasses, the drain. A UV light trap like Zevo will catch some, but the apple cider vinegar lure inside a TERRO trap is far more effective at the source. The trap itself looks like a small apple, sits on the counter, and uses a sealed liquid lure. No sticky tape, no residue, safe around food and kids.
The 4-pack gives you 180 days of supply, about 6 months of coverage. Buyers with seasonal fruit fly problems say they place one near the fruit bowl and one near the kitchen sink, and both are full within a week. One honest note. The 4.0 star rating is slightly lower than others on this list because the trap is less effective for general gnats or houseflies. It's built for one job. If that's your job, it's excellent.
Pick 3, 4 fungus gnats around houseplants. Yellow sticky bug traps, 36-pack at $5.99.
Fungus gnats are the tiny dark flies that hover just above the soil in houseplants. They're not harmful to humans, but they breed in moist potting compost, and the population grows fast. Yellow sticky cards work because gnats are visually attracted to bright yellow. They land on the card and stick. Place 1 per pot at soil level and the life cycle breaks within a week.
At $6 for 36 cards, this is the cheapest fix in the category, and it genuinely works. No chemicals, no odor, no power needed. 4.4 stars across 32,000 reviews. The only catch, they're sticky, so place them where curious pets and kids can't grab them. For fungus gnats specifically, nothing is simpler or cheaper.
Pick 4, for the patio or deck. The GOOTOP Bug Zapper Outdoor at $39.99.
4.5 stars, 40,000 units a month, and the top-selling outdoor option in this dataset. It plugs in on a patio or deck and uses UV light to draw flying insects to a replaceable sticky board. No chemicals, no loud zapping sound, and it works all night without attention.
Now for the honest caveat, and this matters. The packaging shows mosquitoes prominently, but bug zappers are generally weak at catching mosquitoes. Mosquitoes navigate primarily by carbon dioxide, your breath and body heat, not UV light. What GOOTOP does catch very well: moths, June bugs, crane flies, and general flying insects that are drawn to light. If you want mosquito control specifically, look at CO2 attractant traps or repellent approaches. But if you have a general flying insect problem on a patio or porch, GOOTOP at 4.5 stars is the best outdoor option in the data.
Pick 5, for mice and crawling pests. Catchmaster Max Catch Glue Trap, 36-pack, at $23.49.
This is the most reviewed product in the entire category at 92,000 ratings, and for good reason. Catchmaster has been making professional-grade glue boards for decades, and the same design used by pest control companies is available on Amazon. The board catches mice, spiders, cockroaches, scorpions, and general crawling insects on contact. No poison, no snap, no risk to kids or pets who don't reach under furniture.
Place them flat along walls and behind appliances where mice travel. One reviewer caught 2 mice on the first night. Others say they refresh the boards every 60 to 90 days even when nothing's caught, as preventative monitoring. At 64 cents per board for 36, it's the most cost-effective pest monitoring solution in the category. The 4.3 stars across 92,000 reviews tells you this is a product that's been through real-world testing at real scale.
All 5 side by side. The key column is the pest column. That's what drives the choice, not the price.
The budget is $6 for yellow sticky cards on gnats. The mid-range is $17 to $25 for Zevo and TERRO for indoor flying insects and fruit flies. The premium pick is $40 for GOOTOP Outdoors. And Catchmaster at $23 covers the mice and crawling pest problem. None of these overlap. There are 5 different tools for 5 different problems. Reading through the actual reviews on each product, the same themes repeat across thousands of buyers.
Zevo buyers love that it's passive. Plug it in and forget it. The most common complaint is that the cartridge runs out faster than expected during summer peak season. TERRO buyers are often surprised by how fast it works. Most say 3 to 5 days to clear a fruit fly problem. For GOOTOP, the positive reviews come from porch and patio users who see it collect moths and flying insects. The honest 1-star reviews are almost always from buyers who expected it to eliminate mosquitoes, which is not what it does best.
So who is each one actually for, in one sentence each?
Zevo is for anyone with a general indoor flying insect problem, flies, gnats, or light fruit fly activity in a living space. TERRO is specifically for a kitchen fruit fly problem. Yellow sticky cards are for fungus gnats around houseplants. GOOTOP is for outdoor patios and decks where moths and flying insects are the issue. And Catchmaster is for anyone with mice, spiders, or crawling pests and wants a non-toxic, no-kill bait approach that pest control professionals also use.
A few quick answers to what everyone asks about this category.
Best trap for houseflies? Zevo at $25, 100,000 sold monthly, passive, no mess. Do bug zappers work for mosquitoes? Honestly, not great. Mosquitoes follow your carbon dioxide, not UV light. Bug zappers catch moths and flying insects much better. What's the difference between fruit flies and fungus gnats? Fruit flies are bigger and brown, found near fruit and alcohol. Fungus gnats are tiny and dark, found near houseplant soil. Buy TERRO for fruit flies. Buy yellow sticky cards for fungus gnats. And how long do Zevo cartridges last? Amazon says 30 days. Real buyers report closer to 45 to 60 depending on the season.
These prices and rankings are a snapshot from June 2026. They change over time. Always check the live price on Amazon before you buy.
Links to all 5 picks, plus the full data study with every number sourced from the original Amazon data, are in the description below. And if these real data buying guides are useful, subscribe. We cover a new Amazon category every week.